how to contact Klarna customer support. Need help with your account? This guide shows you how you can contact Klarna customer support so you can get help with your issues. First, open the Klarna app and go to the customer service or get help section. You can find it in the main menu or in the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a variety of options to get help from, including an AI assistant. You can first try the AI assistant, which can solve many common issues. If you need more help, you can request a chat with a live customer service representative. You can chat with an agent in real time or request a phone call. The live is available 24/7. You can then explain your issue to the agent, and they'll be able to help you. It is a great way to get help with any issue that you're having with your account, like payment or an order. It is a great way to get help from customer service. You now know how to contact Klarna customer support. Get ready to get help with your issues. Like and subscribe for more app tips.